Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, first raise hand the people who can speak supporting the offline education system is better. Raise hand. Okay, we have nine. अच्छा, oh, mashallah. जिसको भी आना जल्दी आ जाइए, बस लास्ट करिए, मुझे कुछ फिर कराना है. आई विल हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिस मोर. देखिए 14 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, राइट. सबसे नीचे वाले बच्चे को बुलाइए. फरहीन. वर्दा भी है, वर्दा को बुलाइए. वर्दा गई. आइए, जुगाड़बाजी मत करो बेटे, अगर तैयारी हो तो आओ, वरना नहीं. ठीक है जी. फरहीन आओ बेटी.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम जी. कोई बच्चा जो ऑनलाइन पे प्रिपरेशन करके आया है वो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करे जरा. और आप लोग ऐसे ही रहिएगा भाई, जो ऑफलाइन वाले हैं. ऑनलाइन पे जो प्रिपरेशन करके आया, हमजा के अलावा बुआ है. हाँ, सुबहाना को बुलाइए. हनी आप वेट करिए बेटी. सुबहाना. ओके, यू हैव 5 minutes टू
Assalamu
डिबेट.
alaikum, sir.
जी, प्लीज.
Hello, sister. Good evening to everyone and my dear sir. Today I am in favor of online education. In this digital age, online education is not only important but it has become necessity because it bringing the knowledge to many students across the world from the best teachers, and it's quite affordable and time saving too, and we can study from our comfort from our house. And what do you think about these points, my dear sister?
फरहीन,
यस सर।
प्लीज.
या अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन एंड traditional learning occurs in a physical classroom where students and teachers interact face to face, fostering direct communication, hands-on activities, and a
बाबू
structured
आप
learning
आर
environment.
फरहीन, आर यू नॉट रीडिंग?
Yes, sir.
आर यू रीडिंग?
I'm not prepared, sir.
नहीं बेटी, आप रीडिंग नहीं, मैं इसलिए मैं कैमरा ऑन कराता हूँ बेटी. ठीक है, रीडिंग नहीं
Okay,
बाबू.
sir.
उसके लिए माफी
Okay.
चाहते हैं हम आपसे. हाँ, वो नाजिए जी, बुलाइए उनको. नाजिया कफील. लेकिन नाजिया तो उस फेवर में है ना, जो बच्ची सुबहाना है, सुबहाना अलग है. अच्छा, नाजिया आप आइए और टर्न ऑन द कैमरा बाबू.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
सर नोज पीस लगा ले।
चलिए लगाइए. हाँ हमजा बाबू, अभी आपको बुलाऊंगा काशिफ के साथ. काशिफ, यू विल हैव टू स्पीक अबाउट ऑफलाइन. ओके.
Education provides practical learning experience. अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
अस्सलाम, प्लीज.
So,
नाजिया, यू स्पीक फर्स्ट.
जी ओके, थैंक यू सर। Offline education provides practical learning experience, and students can practice, participate in group activities and discussions. Teachers can give instant feedback in online or offline classes.
गिव द आंसर.
Okay. Yeah, but in online classes also we can get the answers, and we can directly check the answers in Google. It's kind of online only, right?
The schools promote cultural and extracurricular activities, and offline education helps in developing communication skills, and uh, physically classes provide several benefits to students.
Yes,
Hmm.
I agree with you, sister. But nowadays, in this digital age, everyone, in developed countries, they are adopting for online education only. And the most important thing, we can study with the best teacher across the world, no matter wherever they are. For example, the most best example, we can study under the great teacher like Zakaria sir.
Offline education
Don't
provides
don't take the example of mine. I have already told you.
Yes.
Okay, Nazia, shabash, shabash.
offline education provides a structured a structured learning environment, and in it engaged better discipline and concentration.
Subhana.
Yes, but in offline education, there will be a age limit. Okay, means over the age people they wanted to study, they cannot go to offline education. In online education, they can complete their studies, they can reach their goals, and the most important thing, people can earn while pursuing their education.
Nazia, you give the
offline
answer.
Offline education, mentally and physically. In my class we do a lots of activities. Online offline education, we cannot a lots of activities offline education online education.
It's about education, not it's about activities, right? We are speaking about education.
Online class has a limited duration, but offline class hasn't limited duration. We can a lots of activities, and we can a lots of communication with her friends, and with the groups, and with my teachers.
Same thing happens in online education also. We are talking with our partners, and we are making group discussions like that. We have made a group of three before, when sir made the partners like that, we are making discussions like that.
Okay. Okay,
If
Subhana. Okay, Nazia, shabash. Subhana, you got 20 out of 20. Nazia, you got 19 out of 20. चलिए माशाल्लाह अच्छी
the
तैयारी
last
है.
hour.
Okay, ना मेरी बेटी. Your time
Thank
is
you so
over.
thank you so
Okay, बेहतरीन अच्छा है. ओके, कहाँ हैं? उनको भी बुलाइए भाई, बच्चों में से बुलाना है. हमजा है क्लास में? प्लीज चेक. हमजा शाह हैं? Invite and invite Kashif on the display here.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, Sheikh, please invite me later. I have some work. Brother, I will talk to you later.
Okay,
Hello.
you will. Okay, he will talk later. Okay. Uh, invite anybody from boys. But he is in the favor of all. And now, Kashif, you speak about online, right?
Off-
Okay, now,
Offline, sir. Offline.
no, actually, no one is here to speak against you.
Actually, I didn't prepare, sir. Offline. Online.
Okay, you have prepared about offline or online?
Yes. Offline, sir.
Offline, okay. Anybody from boys is ready to discuss with Brother Kashif on the topic of online? Akbar Ali, invite. Brother Akbar, if possible, turn on the camera. Hmm. please. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum
Yes.
warahmatullah.
Welcome, Assalam.
First of all, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving me the chance to speak offline education. I would like to put my arguments in the topic of offline education because there are many opportunities or many facilities which are not available in online. The first thing is that direct interaction with teachers. The students can directly interact with teachers. If whenever a student has any doubt about anything, he can ask the question and get the answer quickly.
Okay.
It makes
Okay. Brother Akbar, give the answer to this point, please.
Yes, in the online education system, we can achieve this thing as well. During the online classes, we can ask the questions, or the tutor also provide the facility to, after the class, you can directly coordinate with them by the WhatsApp communications or the calls. So they are also providing this facility. And about nowadays, in how the online education system is important, we can realize that in during the Corona systems, if the online education system was not stabilized, so how the people and the educations, the people can complete their jobs, and the students, how they can complete their educations. So this is the really importance of the online education system.
Okay.
So what?
Kashif, can you give the answer to this point?
yes, I have a question. Brother, you can do everything during online class, but you can't do quickly. Do you know? Everyone knows that education is very important, not online or offline. You can achieve online or offline both, but there are many distractions in online class. Like during the class, maybe you face internet issues and notification mobile. There are many distractions.
Okay. Brother Akbar, you please give the answer to this point.
Yes, Kasif, I agree with you. There are some distractions in the online education system, but you have a facility to, the check the recorded session. Even I can say it is kind of the flexibility. This is not happening in the during the offline education system. If you are taking the class and due to some emergency you have to leave the class, so you don't have any facility to check the offline. I mean the recorded session, which
Kashif,
is
now
yeah.
give the answer this point. You don't have the facility for to review. Okay,
Yeah, you have recording session to watch later. But in offline classes, the every teacher teaches more and more and repeat or explain one thing more and more, and we can understand easily. And in offline education, in classroom, the environment is controlled, and the teacher maintain the everything and immediately, and you can learn practically. There are many library or labs. You can experiment and you can do practice there.
okay, Brother Akbar.
Yes. So it is, I would say it is totally depends on the students. If the persons who really want to learn and you really want to study, they can achieve all the goals from the online education system also, right? So you said that the persons who have doubts in the online education system, offline, they can directly clear from the teacher. So in online, they,
No,
yes.
Brother Akbar, he is saying about labs or something else like a physical, practically activity there.
Okay. Okay, so about the physical activities you can achieve by with your friends and the family, that the culture and other activities, right? But during the online classes, you can achieve the presentations things, how you can react and yourselves, and how you can utilize the sources to attend the classes. Those things you can achieve using the offline, I mean the online education system.
Okay, great, incredible. Both spoke well. गजब बोले हैं ये बच्चे दोनों. अगर मैं वक्त दूं तो पूरा आधा घंटा बोल देंगे. इसलिए now everybody of them माशाल्लाह got 20 out of 20. माशाल्लाह, great. बहुत अच्छे बोले दोनों बच्चे. माशाल्लाह. Okay, शुक्रान. Next, invite Iqra and invite Atiya Rahman, but turn on the camera if possible, वरना आप देख के पढ़ोगे फिर.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
कहाँ है? हाँ बेटी आओ.
Yes.
Atiya, you are going to favor what?
Offline education, sir.
Offline. You beti Iqra, you are going to favor what?
Sir, me too offline education.
Oi. अच्छा ऐसा करें सर, नंबर हमारे दे देने बेटी आपके 20 आउट ऑफ 20. अरे भाई को बच्चा मैसेज करो तो दोनों ऑफलाइन वाले आ गए. अरीशा को बुलाओ, अरीशा 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 ऑन द डिस्प्ले. बेटी इकरा आप रुकिए 1 मिनट. मेरा बेटा अतिया प्लीज.
You go first, sister.
Assalamualaikum. First of all, I would like to thanks to sir who give me the opportunity to speak on this panel. I'm in favor of online education. Okay. During the
Arisha,
online education. Yes, sir.
Voice is not very much clear, bete.
Okay. Now is it clear?
Yeah. Now, yeah.
Okay. Now, today I'm in favor of online education. During the online education, we are doing the lots of tests. Okay, and we get the lots of tests, and we get the and we what we are doing in our test online test, we got the perfect result. But during the offline classes, offline classes during the examination and the test, so some kind of reason teachers cut our marks. Unfortunately, just like that. So this is not good for in offline education. But during the online education, we got the very honest result in online education. But offline education, we are lose our marks just like that, and it's not good for me.
Atiya.
Okay. Sometimes you said to during online exam we don't got get the number, right? So but sometimes we because I went somewhere for examine my net exam. I gave my exam. There is lots of trouble for your eyes for during the exam lots of trouble, and we cannot clear give the answer. Sometimes the option we give the answer number 1, so sometimes we do number 2. It is the lots of trouble in this during the exam.
So tell me, it's depend you. How is your practice? How's your preparation on about this examination? If you have a good preparation about this, so you will get the good marks.
Okay, Betty, Atiya, give.
Okay. You said it. If you are good preparation, you will not do. But sometimes you will do it because that's a lots of trouble. That's a lots of screen problem and lots of things. So we can lose our patience. So we did this thing. We do this thing.
This is not my answer. I'm telling about the cut of the marks. So in offline classes, teachers cut our marks just like that. We are doing the full marks. We are doing. I attempt my question answer with the full page, and this marks I will give the in this question 10 marks. But during the checking, my teacher give me just 5 marks and 8 marks. They are just cut my marks. But during the online examination, they don't cut our marks. They will give the exact marks.
Okay, you said this is depend on your teacher. How to check your copy? This is depend on your teacher. We cannot say to online is the good thing. There is a lots of thing, but if offline is also good. Lots depend on your teacher how to check that thing.
Yeah, Atiya, you have given the answer. Now give one of the reason because of that the offline education system is better. Give one more reason.
Sir, offline education system is better, like activities, physically interaction, or to direct your teacher, peer of group, to other, how to do this thing, how to that thing, this thing. I will do also
Uh,
these things. So these are lots of
okay,
facilities.
Arisha, give the answer to this point.
We can also, attract our teacher during the Zoom classes, just like that. Right now, I'm attracting my teacher right now with the Zakaria sir. So if I have any kind of problem, so I can say that Zakaria sir will sir solve my problem directly. So now I'm interacting with sir. So how can you say that it's not possible during the online classes interaction? It is possible.
Atiya,
It is possible, but is the option. It is the option. If you want to go to the field work, you need to go education offline. It is the option. I think it's my opinion. It's my point of view. So offline education is good because of lots of activities. And offline education, we need to do everything
okay, बच्चों, both of
physically
got.
and mentally.
Okay, मेरी बेटी.
Sir, I have one. Sir, yes, sir, I
No,
want to
no,
say
no, no.
one more thing.
मेरा बेटा, next time inshallah you will get a chance. 20 out of 20 both. बहुत बढ़िया बोले दोनों बच्चे. गजब. जी. हाँ बे बेटे, इनको बुलाना रेहान शाह को. इन डिस्प्ले पे.
सर,
हाँ बेटे, टॉपिक आपका
ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन.
ऑफलाइन. हाँ भाई, बच्चों में से कोई है जो ऑनलाइन पे प्रिपरेशन करके आया हो? जरा यहाँ मैसेज करिए. ऑनलाइन पे जो प्रिपरेशन करके आया हो बॉयज में से. कैमरा ऑन करना शर्त है, लेकिन हमजा को बुलाइए. Yes, brother.
Assalamualaikum.
First, listen to his claim.
Sir, actually, I didn't prepare of online, but maybe I could speak.
Okay, no problem.
If anyone,
You will speak, inshallah.
okay, inshallah.
Hamza, Rehan Shah, speak.
Assalamu alaikum, Hamza sir. My topic
Walaikum
is
salam wa rahmatullahi wa
offline
barakatuh. How are you,
education.
brother?
I am fine.
Sorry.
Offline education is a better education. Offline education,
What
you
do
go
you?
to school and
Hamza,
please.
please
Okay,
listen.
please.
Hamza, let him complete, Babu.
Yes, sir, I'm listening to you.
You direct connection with your teachers and your friends. Your classmates are help better communication and clearing doubts. You go to school and make new friends and talk is and more thing you facilities like you go biology lab, you go physics lab, and online education is not
Okay,
there.
excuse me,
Online
excuse me.
education
Okay,
Excuse me,
Rehan.
let me speak. No.
Hamza, give the answer. He is saying that he has lab
Yes.
facilities or he can interact with anyone easily there. What do you think of that? Give the
Okay.
answer.
In offline education, we can attend class the best teachers in around the world, and we get a recording session. If any doubt, we can watch after. But in offline education, if we mix any class, we will mix in future. We cannot get never.
Okay,
And in
Rehan.
offline, he said that. Okay.
Hamza. Rehan,
Yeah,
give the
bro,
answer
I
to
am
this
agree
point.
with your point. I am agree with your point, but
Thank you.
online education very distraction. Like you take online class, your eyes are going to another app. You going another app.
Excuse me.
Like
Where is
you
this
thought I
distraction?
take online class later, and we have
This is very
recording session,
distraction. There
and
is no
I watch
distraction.
YouTube.
If you want to,
It's think very
if
bad.
you want to learning,
Rehan,
no,
listen.
never bad. How can you say that?
Okay,
Sir, he
Rehan.
said that offline education is so much distraction. There is no any distraction. If you want to learn English, anything with compassionate and you have confidence, you really want something. No one can distract you. And another
Bro,
thing he said that yes, please.
bro, listen to me. I say you
Yes,
take
yes, I'm
online
listening to you.
class on your home. Like you take
Yes,
online class and you're not going outside.
Okay.
You take offline
okay.
education.
Okay, Rehan. Hamza,
Excuse
he
me.
is saying that we don't need to go anywhere. being at home we can
Yes,
take,
yes.
please.
Yes, of course, I agree. He said that being at home, it's a good thing. When I stand class at home, after class I can go outside and play with my friend, and I can do anything else. And with my parents, I will become spiritual. With parents, with mother, father.
Bro,
What do you say?
listen. You going, suppose you going for offline education, you saw our India with type people, and you connect, another people, and say you make a new friends. You going out, you take online class, you going outside, and only you have 5 friends you play. Again you come your home and you take online class. This thing I think your brand lose. You are so lazy, become
No,
you are so lazy.
no.
Okay.
Seriously, you are saying that you can make friends to online offline class. Online class you can make friends in rest of the world. Many intellectual and many interested. I can say that very great person, great boys. We can make friends in our online classes.
Okay, Hamza and
Bro,
Rayhan. Okay. Listen. Great,
sir,
mashallah.
sir, one point,
No,
please.
beta. Time is over. You have completed your time, both.
Give
Mashallah.
me time.
Okay.
Give me time. I want to talk.
Okay. Some other day, inshallah. Hamza Babu. Okay. Both spoke well, mashallah.
I think today.
And both of them, mashallah, got 20 out of 20. माशाल्लाह बढ़िया बच्चे बोले दोनों, शाबाश। तो ये तैयारी के साथ आए थे बच्चे, इसलिए बोले हैं, माशाल्लाह। अच्छा, ऊपर अहलिया बिलाल को बुलाइए। आपका टॉपिक क्या है बाबू?
सर ऑफलाइन एजुकेशन।
ऑफलाइन। ओके, इनको बुलाइए, साइमा यूसुफ को। साइमा।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
सर आप ऑनलाइन पे बोलिए बाबू, आप ऑफलाइन की प्रिपरेशन करके आए हो लेकिन।
सर मैं ऑनलाइन का कर रहा है।
अच्छा मेरी बेटी, चलिए अहलिया बिलाल से बोलिए आप।
Importance of online education. Online education is very important to these days because during pandemic situation and during a flood situation when we can't go outside from home and we can still learn everything inside our home.
Okay, Ahliya Bilal, give the answer.
In that pandemic situation, everyone missed offline education. Everyone, and you also missed, I think. But I strongly believe in offline education. You free from. So first of all, I want to say free. You can free from radiation. In offline education, you can free from radiation, but in online education, you get more radiation. And you, if everyone doing online education.
Okay, Ahliya Bilal, yes. Your point is radiation about. Yes, Saima, give the answer to this point.
Sir, radiation meaning I don't know.
Explain, Ahliya Bilal.
Computer and mobile phone, every gadgets, क्या बोल सकते हैं? Every gadgets improve on radiation, and radiation directly harm your brain, your eyes, and your body. And
they give some,
you,
yeah. Okay.
No, we can use only use for our education. We can't. We don't use. We only use for education, not on other things. We use phone. If we want education, and we only use for phone for our education.
But this radiation is a part of your online education. That's why I'm telling you. And in offline education, we can stay away from distraction also in offline education. But in online education, everyone not
not favor of distraction. They misuse computer. They misuse sometimes they in during class they use different types of games and videos. They play videos
No,
also.
if distraction, both education, online or offline, we can distract. But one important thing about online education is that no matter where we are, in any part of the world, even if our city doesn't have any good education, and we doesn't have any facilities of education, we can learn from anywhere in the world. Like if we want, if I want to learn English from Zakaria sir, and we can't go for offline because his city and our city are very far away, and it takes 2 days for traveling. That's why I think online education is very important.
Okay, अच्छा बच्चों, you both माशाल्लाह spoke well and got 20 out of 20. अच्छा बोले माशाल्लाह दोनों बच्चे, शाबाश। और मजीद मेहनत के साथ आइएगा नेक्स्ट टाइम आप जब भी आएंगे, ठीक है। उनको बुलाइए नीचे, तजीम तजीम को बुलाइए और मनाम को बुलाइए। तजीम एंड मनाम।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
अच्छा, व्हाट्स योर टॉपिक?
My topic is online education.
तजीम, व्हाट्स योर टॉपिक?
Okay, then I will go with offline.
Okay, please continue talking.
Okay.
Manam, turn on the camera, bete.
Okay, sir.
You have 5
Okay,
minutes.
then we can start.
अब बाकी जेबा एंड अजरा बाबू, आपको ना उस वक्त मौका मिल गया था इस टॉपिक पे बाबू, ठीक है। इनको नहीं मिल पाया था। You will get chance next time इंशाल्लाह।
Online education is better than offline education because students can study the online course material during their own time according to their time in the schedule, or when we traveling in an emergency, we go there and in the living room or a bedroom we can do the course of online education.
Okay, give the answer first. Explain your claim, beta, Tazim. Then give the answer to this point.
Okay. Offline education is better than online education because it allows us to physically interact with our teachers so that we can clear our remaining doubts of the topics. And your point that if we are traveling or we are in emergency, okay, then we can message our friend, or we can call with we can make contact with our friend to send to send me notes, or I can go on the next day and I can take leave. I can go the next day and I can again interact with my teacher, and I will tell him the problem that I was in emergency. Please repeat the class. Yeah.
It taking too much
On the
time.
topic.
It taking too much time saves time. It helps to save as students don't have to travel from online learning.
Okay, Tazim, beta, she is talking about traveling. Yes.
Sir, I said, sir, I mean, what is the main point? Like traveling in emergency, I know that if we are traveling in emergency, we can still take the online classes. But I'm making the solution that we can make contact with our teachers and our friends to send the notes of that day. Or we
Okay,
can.
Manam, give the answer.
It's taking too much time. That's why we collect the notes and sir, I forget that.
You forgot. Okay. चलिए कोई बात नहीं बेटा। अच्छा, ओके बेटे तजीम, यू स्पोक वेल माशाल्लाह, गजब बोली आप बेटे। मनाम, और मेहनत करके आइएगा ना बेटा।
Yes.
देखिए पे बच्चों, आप हजरात में से कुछ लोग वो हैं जिन्होंने हिस्सा ही नहीं लिया है इसमें। मुझे सब पता है बच्चों का किसने हिस्सा लिया किसने नहीं लिया। आइंदा ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है। ये मैं फिर डिबेट आपको दूंगा, लेकिन दूंगा कौन कौन सी दिनों में? फ्राइडे और सैटरडे इंशाल्लाह। ठीक है, वो दोनों दिनों आपका डिबेट ही रहेगा। को जो बच्चा रह जाएगा उसको फिर अगले जब मंडे आएगा तो उसमें मौका दूंगा, और जो चीजें अलग कराने वाली वो कराऊंगा। ठीक है, 2 दिन आपके डिबेट के हैं, आप इस पे फुली तैयार होकर साथ आइए। और बच्चों देखो, सीधी सीधे अंदाज में बात सुनो, आप लोग जो भी बोले कैमरा ऑन करके बोले। देखो कैमरा बंद करोगे तो आप लिखा हुआ पढ़ोगे, सीधी सीधी बात है, तो कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला आपका। सच में नहीं होना। अब एक महीने 27 डेज तो आपके सारे रह गए हैं, बल्कि उससे भी और कम रह गए हैं। आप उसमें भी देख के पढ़ेंगे क्या? अब देख के वेख के खत्म करिए, जरा सही से सलीके के साथ मेहनत करिए। समझ में आई बात? हाँ, ऐसे जुगाड़बाजी नहीं कि बस कुछ भी आके कह दिया है, वो नहीं, बाजाब्ता तैयार होके आइए आप। जैसे कई बच्चों ने कहा सर प्लीज गिव अस टाइम सर, तो वो बच्चा क्यों टाइम मांग रहा है मालूम है? उसके पास बहुत कुछ है बोलने के लिए मटेरियल, वो तभी मुझसे कह रहा है सर टाइम दे दीजिए। मैंने कहा नहीं बेटा, आपका टाइम हो गया। तो ये अच्छी बात है, ये बच्चे की अच्छी तैयारी की बात है। और आप में से जितने यहाँ बच्चे बैठे हो सब बेहतरीन हो। समझ में आया? कोई अपने आप को कम मत समझना, अगर मुझे ये नहीं आता मैं कम, नहीं, कोई कमजोर नहीं है। सब माशाल्लाह बेहतरीन बच्चे हो आप, गजब हो सब। तो इसलिए कभी भी ये मत समझना सर मुझे ये नहीं आता है, वो नहीं आ रहा है, सब आएगा इंशाल्लाह। फॉलो करो जो चीज बता रहा हूँ बस। ठीक है, इसलिए आइंदा जो भी टॉपिक आपको दिया जाएगा उस पर सबको तैयारी करके आनी है। और अभी तो थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ सी हो गई, वो असल में नेम ये इन्होंने लिखे थे वो लॉस्ट हो गया, कहीं छोटे से पेपर पर लिखे थे। आइंदा से मैं नेम बाजाब्ता लिखवाऊंगा। ठीक है, और वही नेम जो यहाँ पर होंगे वो फिर ग्रुप में डाले जाएंगे वो, ताकि आप लोगों को भी पता रहेगा आपका नेम किस फेवर में था। ठीक है, इंशाल्लाह। चलिए मिलते हैं, सलाम अलैकुम।